Alright, gonna do my third mod on my Old Country G2 smoker today. First mod is the ball valve for the drain. Also catches leaves. The second was the handle, since this gets really hot. That's the third thing, kind of small, but is to notch the handle rest. So the fire door has a place to lock in and sit. Of course, that 2 notches. May add them there. Can't tell if that's in focus. There we go. It's in focus now. Today's something a little different. So, as you all know, this is decent cooking service, the main cooking service. And up here on the top rack that we have, it's obviously really hot. Not ideal. I've done hot and fast ribs up here. They did really well, actually. Won't be using this quite all the time. It's a good way to really rev up a cook if you need something finished quickly. But I'm going to repurpose this rack today for an experiment. Before and after here. So slides for the top rack, slides for the bottom rack. My idea is going to be to put the upper rack in the bottom so I can double this as a charcoal cooker. I've already done some testing, and on mine, these may vary from smoker to smoker, but on mine, I just can't clear this bottom edge of the lip that the main cooking rack slides on. I put the grate in down here, and it just catches. So I'm not sure if they did that on purpose. Probably not. It's just placement. So I'm going to knock probably about 20 millimeters of that off on both sides. This one's kind of dark, but it also has the, there we go. It also has the chamber for the smokestack on it, so it's shorter on that end. But I'm going to knock off about 20 millimeter of that too. Should be good to go. Alright, it is modified. And now the grate is in place. And there's the chamber for the smoker. So now, let's get a good look at how tall the cooking crate is off of that. Alright, so the main cooking grate is back in. Obviously no issues there. You can see the top grate at the bottom now. Look at a measurement. Alright, so we're looking about 5 inches from the, what now would be the coal bed for the charcoal, up to the main cooking surface. So now it's time to try it. Alright, ready to go. So some smokers over here, and it's going to pull like the smoker normally does. I'm going to use the opening here for fresh air. I'm going to put the coals here on this side instead of on that side. So let's see how it goes. Let it warm up and see how it goes. It's ice cold now. Within about 3 minutes. You see where it's jumped up to almost 200 degrees. Holding about 275. I would say that one's a little higher. About 200 down on the end. Some mesquite chunks you can see right here. Get a little smoke in the picanha and a smoked brisket mac and cheese.